Yo, ane sa fait l'école en 80 années, man. Y a célébré 80 ans année ça. So, il y a un pile. Nous avons 3 marins pour pointer, classe ça pour pointer pour yo. 80 ans, man. Ça sont pile temps, hein. Je veux connaître, est-ce qu'il y a n'importe monde? Est-ce qu'il y a des fanatiques qui ont 80 ans là? Si son grand monde qui a 80 ans, son fanatique poussière, fais-moi connaître ça en bas comme maintenant. Nous juste besoin de connaître. Yo, m'bouquet, ça c'est poussière, et on va regarder des Pousye Cho. Yo, yo! So, on commence à mettre bagaille on. So, c'est ma ça yo. Nous allons le pointer. Et puis, c'est ça que je vais mettre sur lui. Dès que tu fais un échantillon, ça est derrière, ça est devant, pour qu'on va yo. Comme je l'ai le bonnet là, la vie va venir, so m'attends yo. Fini. So là pour un bon 30 à 45 minutes pour ça. Prêt. Et puis on va le pédaler. So, je vais dans zoom. Je vais set up zoom là.
Good morning, Mr. Joseph.
Hey Eddie, what's up?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. Yo, Mr. Valles is here right now.
What's up? What's up?
He thought he was gonna surprise me. Look at that shit. Let me flip that thing up.
Can you do it with your finger? If you have the right hand?
Yo, the phone he had before is messed up. The screen is cracked. I always make fun of him like, yo, you need to get an iPhone. So this dude pulled up this morning with a planet. That thing is a planet. When I say planet, listen, yo, look at that shit. Boom. You see that? The thing you only see in commercial. Yo, look at that. Listen, this is the best feature. Like, you see the dual recording stuff? Like, look what happened. You see that? You see me in here recording. Listen, that's a yo, move. Yo, look at that. You see, I can film him.
Split screen.
Split, and you see me too. Like, yo,
Split
that's
screen.
dope.
Split screen.
And that's on what? LG.
LG.
Yo, that's a dope phone, man. What? I'ma steal that. I'ma steal it.
Hey,
So-
he kept saying to me, because I kept telling him that I was gonna get the new BlackBerry. It was a BlackBerry Key 3, but I saw this.
You guys remember BlackBerry, right?
Remember BlackBerry?
So, yo, this one is crazy, dog. Yo, look at that. Yo, look at that. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
That's a really dope phone, man. It's nice.
Did I surprise you?
Yep, you did.
He didn't expect this. Check it out. Check it out. One hand.
Tip
Watch.
number one.
One hand. Flip. Flip.
Yo, tip number one. Do not drop it.
Do not drop it.
Do not drop it, man.
The case is coming. It'll be here like on Thursday or
Yo,
Friday.
that's a dope fun. So, yep. Guys, let me know what you think. Do it again. Do it. Flip it.
Flip it? Okay, I'm gonna flip it for you.
Whoop.
with one with the thumb.
Yo, I only see that in commercial, man.
And it has dual. You can watch YouTube, and you can do internet on the other one.
Yo,
look at that.
That thing is sexy.
Yeah. Well,
dope.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid I'm gonna drop it though. Yeah, that was about it. So, are you ready today to work in the shirt?
Let's do it.
All right, we're gonna get ready.
Yeah.
Yo, this is the test print, so now we're ready to print.
These are polo shirts.
Remember to press hard. Yeah. Do it again. Do it again slow. Hold up. Get more ink here. Get more ink. And how to press on the board. And put it. Alright. Put it back here. And lift it up. What do you think?
Little light right here.
All right, fix it. One more time. Now we have Shaquana helping with the dryer. Try to dry the shirt. So the back is done now. I'm about to print the front right now. Stay tuned. Yo, kounya ma printe derrière yo, ma printe devant yo. So mi ka set up li. And ma met there. Nou gen anel la ka fini presse devant Mario yo la, parce que presque fini. So devant derrière pointé. Pour dans bal don ba manger. Ma fin le Mario fini. Pousye. So nous fini, mettre dehors, tout Mario pointé et puis après dans l'autre show. Pousye lié.
sale qui a cherché façon pour faire ap de petit yo. Yo va jamais gagner un job, yo va jamais monter à déposer CV yo. Si yo fait budget yo, si yo pop